Hi guys, in today's video, unboxing video, we're going to be unboxing my new wooden train here in this box. So yeah, let's go. So, like this. Oh, there. Face away. There. Okay. It's open. Oh, there. Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay. It's because it's, oh yeah. Okay. There. The tape's cut. Oh my God. Okay, guess I just had to cut. That was really risky. Okay. Finally got it open. So, here's the paper. Let's go. No. It's so cool. Nice. Now let me open like this part. Being really careful. Okay, I just ripped this little piece off. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Okay. Cheese, Daddy. Here it is. Here it is, guys. Here it is. Oh my God. Here it is, guys. The wooden train has good details on the top and everything. And yeah. Smells good too. Okay, so if you want to see more unboxing videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like button. And bye!